Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn some, any and a lot of. Some and any. Some and any are both determiners. They tell us whether the noun phrase is general or specific. Some and any are both general determiners, which means they refer to an indefinite or unknown quantity of something. The words some and any are used where the exact number or amount of something is not known or when it is not important. Some and any are both used to refer to an indefinite quantity or number. For example, there are some birds in our garden. We don't know exactly how many birds are in the garden, or it doesn't matter how many birds there are exactly. Some and any are known as general determiners. They are used to modify nouns, specifically to tell us that the noun phrase is general rather than specific. They can be used with countable or uncountable nouns, singular or plural nouns. Although some and any are both used to describe an indefinite number, they are used in different ways. In general, some is used in positive sentences. That means the sentence don't contain the word not. Any is used in negative sentences. That means that sentence contain the word not. For example, I don't need any help with my homework because I can do it on my own. Any is used in questions. For example, do you have any brothers or sisters? There are some exceptions to these rules. We can use some in questions when offering something or making a request. For example, would you like some milk and sugar in your tea? We use any in positive sentences when we mean it doesn't matter which. For example, choose any pair of shoes you want. They are all the same price. Let us check these points in short. Some refer to an unknown number or quantity. Used with countable and uncountable nouns. Used with singular and plural nouns. Used in positive sentences. Used in questions that are offering or making request. Any refer to an unknown number or quantity. Used with countable and uncountable nouns. Used with singular and plural nouns. Used in negative sentences. Used in questions. Used in positive sentences to mean it doesn't matter which. A lot of. Use a lot of in informal styles. A lot of can be used with singular and plural for affirmatives, negatives and questions. For examples, have you eaten lots of chocolates? She gave me a lot of information. Use with both countable and uncountable nouns. Use a lot of mostly in positive sentences, but sometimes we use a lot of in negative sentences. Use with both countable and uncountable nouns. use a lot of mostly in positive sentences, but sometimes we use a lot of in negative sentences. For example, I don't like a lot of salt in my food. We use them in questions when we think the answer will be yes. For example, do you get a lot of snow here? If the noun is countable, we use a plural verb are, have, etc. There are a lot of cars on the road. If the noun is uncountable, we use a singular verb is, has, etc. Example, there is a lot of noise. Thank you.